guys, welcome back to another episode of GTA 5 Online, and as you can see today we are on our Pegasi Osiris, and today if you look at the map there's a white dot that I'm trying to chase over. Before I started the video he killed me, exploded this car, and I don't know why but I had to pay for it instead of him. Anyways, I still have shitload of money, I can do whatever I want right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and kill him, but apparently he's under the ground. I think so. Yeah, he's under the ground. He went into the tunnel that you can go into in the highway, and he exploded me in there, so I can't find him again. He's over here. Look. Look where he is. Look where he is. Look. And we killed him. Yeah, just like what I thought. I killed him, and I got his $500. Obviously, we're in America. That's what we use. Well, I'm not in America, but the game is in America. Anyways, let's get out of here. And today, well, my very first video of this YouTube channel was, I said it was fun, but not really fun. You wouldn't say fun for that, but I don't know why I said fun. But this time we are gonna have a little bit of fun. We'll get into the attack helicopter and oh shit, no shit. Yeah, see, good, okay. So we'll probably get into the attack helicopter this time instead of using the Hydra, because I'm not the best. I'm not your best choice of using the Hydra. So I'm trying to see where I'm going. Okay, we're over here. Well, anyways, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and call him the attack helicopter, which is the buzzard if you don't know, just to make sure. I'm gonna turn around.
Hello, Pegasus Lifestyle Management. How can I help
Buzzard
you?
attack chopper.
Your beautiful new aircraft is waiting at our nearest airfield. We
Now
hope
let's see
you're
where they
very
put
happy,
it.
sir.
Is that it? No, that's not it. Where is it? Oh, it's over here. Alright, let's go get that real quick and start our people killing kind of thingy in my bobby. Okay, so let's just go get it, the attack helicopter, and we'll be there in no time, do not worry. This car is not the best in drifting. The Karen Kruma Armored is good in drifting, but it's better than this. This is not the best you can have in this game. Shit in a bucket, man. Shit in a bucket. This car is wrecked. Okay, let's go here. So yeah, we're gonna go get the attack helicopter, just like I said, but wait, which way? This way. Okay, I got confused. Okay, everyone, shit, yes, thank God. Okay, everyone gets confused in this road, like which way to go, because in the map they all look the same and you get confused. So what was I gonna say? I forgot what I was gonna say. Yeah. So yeah, I remember now. I'm hoping that this would be fun, like more fun than the other one, than my first video. Hydra fun, which wasn't really Hydra fun, but anyways, we're gonna do this with the attack helicopter. And where is it? It's over there. We'll continue going this way. Okay, let's go. What is this place? I've never been here. I probably have, but I just don't remember. Oh shit, I was just gonna get. Oh my god. Are you serious? And he exploded my car. Okay. Anyways, we're close enough to the thing. Wait, is it at the top of the building? How am I meant to get there? Okay, let's just go around the building with this car until I find ladders going up. I can just about see it there. No, that's not it. That's too big. Close the music. Yeah, screw you too. I don't know if there's any ladders here, but one second, I'm gonna check around here first. I don't see any ladders. Oh wait, there's one going up here. Come on, will you climb up? Are you gonna climb up? Wow, you won't climb up this ladder. Okay, that's weird. Just get in the car. Okay, let's go ahead and check in here. Yeah, apparently there's none around there, and he won't climb up that stupid thing. Yeah, there's nothing else to climb up into other than that other stupid ladder that he won't climb up. Wait, we can make our way up here. We need a little bit of parkour skills. Now climb up this ladder. There you go. Climb up this as well. Climb, climb, climb. How long is this? Okay, we're here. Yeah, see, there it is. Oh look, there's another one there. There's another attack helicopter there. Look. I'm gonna explode that one. Bingo. Let's go. Time for some rampage. Oh look, police after us, 2 stars. I don't know what the missiles homing off is. I think it's a lock-on thing. Okay, I'm just gonna fire it randomly until we get into the city where all the people are. Whoa! Oh, it's nearly froze there. Come on. Boom! I'm flying too low, I should go up higher. Fire. Oh, he didn't die. Shit. Oh, look, helicopter. Where is he? Is he higher than me? No? Oh, he's there. Jesus, they were shooting at me. Where's the helicopter gone? Oh, it's over there. Where's it going? Oh my god. Yeah, there we go. That's what we're talking about. I nearly killed myself as well. Okay, let's see now. Let's make a sharp turn here. Shoot. Oh yeah. That's what we're talking about. Oh look, we have, okay, a smuggler's plane helicopter is flying around Los Santos, and we have to get him before he goes away. Okay, let's go get him now. He's not far, he's just up ahead. He's there, look, we're locked onto him. Way, we just got 6 grand for that. Okay. We took down smuggler's plane, I don't know. Okay, let's go and take down some more people. We have to create a mayhem here, we're 4 stars. Let's get the police back on us. Come on, look, I'm here. Can you not see a helicopter firing randomly? Okay, we're not bailing. Oh my god, we missed. And someone died. Okay, we're gonna go this way. This way. That helicopter won't be able to take me down. Sorry about that. Boom. Oh shit, I hit the bridge. Hold on, he won't die. Yeah, there we go. And where's the helicopter going? Oopsie! That was 100% on purpose. Oh my god, they lost me? Oh shit, we're smoking. We're smoking. Oh shit, that kid died. Or whatever. I don't know if it was a kid or not. We got this, we got this. We got this. Oh no, he didn't die, he's still there. Okay, wait, we're gonna go more into the city, and we're 5 stars. We hit 5 stars, lads. Ladies and gentlemen, we hit 5 stars. And we'll continue hitting it until we die, until our death arrives. Sadly, we don't have a tank yet. I'm level 65, I might have to be level 70 for it. It costs $1 million, so I'll probably have that much until I become level 70. I won't waste a lot of money. And you know, I already have everything I could have in the whole game. Oh shit, there's someone behind us. Jesus. Jesus, oh my god. They move a lot and they come up so close. Look how close they are to me. I have a feeling the thing's gonna explode. Yeah, it exploded. It's not working. It's not flying up. It's not flying. See, it wasn't flying. Well, anyways, we're gonna get this done. We're gonna. Yes, okay. I don't give a shit. Just What's happening? What the hell? Don't get into the camera. Don't scan storage. Don't do this. Don't do that. Wait, whoa. Damn. I didn't know you had such long arms. Or a selfie stick. Why didn't you tell me? Okay, anyways. Look, oh. Let's go here. I think our car is exploded. Yeah, it's still exploded. Sorry about that. Ma'am, you may continue on.
Morse Mutual Insurance. How can we help you?
Okay.
I'll do my best.
So for every video what we're gonna have is we're gonna have one special car, and that car is the car that I'm gonna be using for the whole video. Oh shit, what am I doing? Okay. So every time it's gonna be different vehicles. I have 3 garages, so that's not, I won't be able to spend that for a long time. Where is that? There's someone over there, but I can't see him. Anyways, you already probably know which car today is. This is the car today. It's a pure matte black car. Wait. Does that kid have? No, I have that car as well, I think. Is that not the Cheetah? Are these the same cars? I'm confused here now. Okay, lads, look what we're gonna do. Shit. Why is he throwing it? I'm not telling him to throw it. Oh shit. We're creating a... I nearly killed myself. Okay, we have 11 shots left. Shit, we totally missed that. Shit, what the hell did I hit? Okay, I know what I hit now. He's over there. Look, he's throwing it before I tell him to throw it. Ah, he's going the other way. Okay. We have our grenade, sticky bomb, we have 5 shots left. Okay, we got this, brothers. We got this. What the hell is he doing? Look, why are you throwing it? Alright, we got this, we got this, we got this. Wait, I told you we're gonna get him. And the police is definitely not gonna get me. See that? Shit, I missed him. Boom! You should have moved. Whoa, 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 whoa. Snoop Dogg. I love that song. Okay, so what we're gonna do for the last few minutes of this video, we're gonna go in here. Should have moved, retard. You don't take out a gun on me now. Yeah, that's what I thought. Come on. Come on, just give me all the shit, Zoo. Give me all the money. Come on. I don't give a shit. Don't talk to me like that. We have 9,000 to put in our bank account. Move, retard. Okay, so next shop is up there. Okay, we're gonna do this. One of our videos is gonna be something like this, but it's not gonna be 100% like this. It's gonna be like, we're gonna be robbing a shop, not just one shop, like loads of shops until we get 5 stars. But it's not gonna be our next video. I'm gonna make it until I get the tank. Come on, give me the money, come on. Shit, I have to get the money myself.
No, don't hurt me.
Go on. Okay, I'm gonna get this. Okay. Okay, just get in the car, Shit, we died. And their car's taken away by the police. Well, we were only able to rob 2 stores. Anyways, lads, but yeah, so our our video that I'm planning on to make until I get the tank is that when I get the tank, that didn't make sense. Okay, when I get the tank, I'm gonna be making a video where one person stays in the tank and protects the other person who's going to be stealing the market. So, like, for example, the car that I have now, my friend will stay in a car like that and drive to the shops and stuff. Don't you dare. Oh, I'm becoming a bounty. Okay, anyways, so, and I'll be in the tank trying to protect him. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying to go into the thing. You see, I told you I'm a bounty of 5,000. If I survive that, I'm getting the 5,000 all to myself. I'm pretty sure that person on the plane did that to me. Okay, where's my car? Jesus, they left the door open. What if someone stole it? Open the door. Okay, that kid's not gonna get me for sure. See that? Oh shit, he did get me. Well. How many times is my car gonna get destroyed in this video? My man's tick now. So we didn't survive that bounty anyways.
I think we can do that.
Yeah, you got my bounty. I'm not a bounty anymore. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna have to end the video here, and I hope you enjoyed watching this. And if you subscribed, liked, and shared and favorite this video, I would really appreciate it. It would help me out a lot. I hope you enjoyed it again, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.